Asheville, North Carolina is a city known for its rich history, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant culture. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, it has long been a beloved destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. However, Asheville has also faced its share of challenges, particularly from natural disasters such as floods which have shaped its history. Asheville was founded in the early 19th century along the banks of the French Broad River. Its location between the mountains made it a natural hub for trade and commerce. As the city grew, it became a popular retreat for those seeking fresh mountain air and scenic beauty. One of the most notable developments in Asheville's history was the construction of the Biltmore Estate in 1895 by George Vanderbilt. The Grand Mansion, which remains the largest privately owned home in the United States, helped put Asheville on the map as a destination for luxury and elegance. Over the years, Asheville evolved from a small mountain town into a thriving cultural center known for its music, art, and outdoor activities. The surrounding Blue Ridge Mountains offer endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds the city. A history of floods. Despite its beauty, Asheville's location along the French Broad River has made it vulnerable to floods. One of the most infamous floods occurred in July 1916 when two hurricanes struck the area within days of each other. The second storm brought torrential rains that caused the French Broad River to rise 17 feet above normal levels, flooding much of downtown Asheville. The flood of September 2024, Asheville faced another catastrophic flood, one of the worst in recent memory. Heavy rains from a slow-moving storm system caused the French Broad River to overflow once again, flooding large portions of the city and surrounding areas. While Asheville had developed flood mitigation strategies over the years, the sheer volume of rain overwhelmed the city's defenses. Casualties. The floods tragically caused the death of more than 100 people, including several residents who were trapped in their homes by the rising waters. Rescue teams worked tirelessly to evacuate those stranded in flood-prone areas, but the speed and intensity of the floodwaters made it difficult to reach everyone in time. Damage. The economic damage was extensive. Dozens of homes and businesses were completely submerged. Particularly in low-lying areas near the river, roads and bridges were washed out, cutting off several parts of the city and making rescue operations even more challenging. It is estimated that the flood caused property damage in excess of $2.1 million. Several key infrastructure points, including parts of the Blue Ridge Parkway, were severely damaged. In the aftermath, authorities have already begun discussing stronger flood control measures, recognizing that climate change may lead to more frequent and severe flooding events in the future. A city's resilience. Despite the devastation, Asheville remains a city of resilience. In the days following the flood, community members came together to support one another, with local businesses offering aid and residents volunteering in cleanup efforts. The flood of 2024, like the one in 1916, has become part of Asheville's enduring story, a reminder of the challenges this beautiful city faces and the strength of its people in overcoming adversity. As Asheville rebuilds from this latest disaster, it continues to be a city defined by both its natural beauty and its determination to thrive, even in the face of nature's most daunting challenges.